Hello everybody, so I just got a text message from my friend saying that he's on his way here. He is Edgeback. I know he quit YouTube, but still, I'll leave a link to his channel. Even though he quit YouTube. Yeah, like 6 months ago. With that said, it is snowing real hard out right now. Let me show you that right now. This is the first snow that we've had all winter. Like the first snow that was this hard all winter, so let me show you that now. It's supposed to be a storm, but like a snowstorm, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be as bad that it's gonna be considered a blizzard. But hold on, let me just show you guys that now. Look it. It's snowing pretty hard out right now. I'm kind of worried that my friend might not make it here. He said he's on his way, so this is what it looks like. And with that said, hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. If you have, slap that like button down below. Let's try to get 10 likes for this video. As I said before, and yeah, hope you all enjoyed.